Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a quick refreshing of my wash and go that I've been wearing. And it's wash day, but it's raining, but because I just been wearing a lot of gel and products in my hair. But if you just really don't feel like washing your hair and it's not dirty, but you want to re-moisturize it and revamp it so you can get a couple of more days out of it, then please keep on watching. Then you can see how I created this slick textured ponytail. And it's soft and bouncy. Keep on watching. Alright everyone, so I'm just going to show you how I refresh this old dried up crunchy wash and go into this ponytail and put it back into a slick, smooth ponytail. This is like day 7 wash and go. I think like day 5. It's moisturized because I moisturize it every day, but it is super stale right now. So first I'm just going to add some water, just water in this old bottle. You're not going to drench it, you're just going to saturate it a little bit so the products can absorb nice and neat. Now for the front, I'm going to add more water. Don't forget the back. I add a lot to the front because I have to put more product there. And now I'm going to add some oil. First I'm going to add the Love Beauty Planet's coconut oil with Ylang repair oil. I'm going to use a couple of pumps. Make sure I put it on the ends. Now I'm going to add some Carol's Daughter Mimosa's hair honey. Just a little bit. And this is just going to the ends, into my roots. And then I'm going to add a little bit of Shea Moisture Carol. I'm going to add a little bit of Shea Moisture's Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Just a little bit. Now, it just helps your hair get really moisturized before you add any gels or anything. Alrighty. Now I'm going to add the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Styling Gel. And it's infused with biotin. So I'm going to take a little bit of that. I'm going to smooth it on my roots. Add some to my neck. I'm going to take some more. I'm going to add it to the ends of my hair. While I'm doing this, I'm also helping smooth back my edges. You can put this in a smooth ponytail, or you can tie down the edges. You can tie down the edges and just leave it like this, and just do your baby hair. Now I'm going to use some Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil one, on the roots. That's why I added so much moisture, because I know how much gel I put in my hair. I'm going to add a little bit to my ends. I'm going to leave out my little sides. Now, I'm going to take my regular hairbrush. It's really soft. It's not that hard. And I'm just going to smooth back my hair. Make sure you get the top of your hair also. I'm just smoothing the edges, the roots. The roots, the ends. And if you see any white on my hair, it will disappear once everything is saturated into my hair. I'm going to use my toothbrush to pull out my baby hair for later. And all the crazy about to fix it. So for next, you're going to use a scrunchie. You get the smaller black one, and you're just going to put it on. You're not going to wrap it. You're just going to put it all over your hair. You're going to use the larger headband one. I snapped mine at the ends, and I just wrap around my hands a few times. So you just pull it kind of snug. Make sure everything is smooth. And if you need to brush anything, now I'm just going to put the scrunchie on. And you just pull your hair out. So now, since it's a bump, I can fix that. I'm gonna add more water. Take my brush and smooth it back out. This. And just smooth it, and I'm gonna put a bobby pin on it. Add a little more gel. So I'm gonna take a large bobby pin or any size that you like. I'm gonna take some small bobby pins. I'm gonna put it back here. Now, if you have any hair at the bottom of your ponytail that needs a little moisture, you take your gel and just go back in. Kind of just smooth it over it. You don't want to add too much because you don't want it to look too different from the other hair. And just smoothing it through my ends. You can do the same thing at the top if you have any. Now I'm just going to do my baby hair. Well, edges. This gel here was some Gorilla Gel that comes in a blue, not blue, it comes in a yellow tube or the purple tube. I just squeezed it out and put it in here. It's easy as getting with a toothbrush. So I'm just going to take some and apply it to my edges. And I always do my edges in my hair before I do my makeup. So my hair and my edges have time to dry, so I won't get any makeup in them. Alright. I'm going to do the same on this side. I'll hold it with my finger so it won't move. I'm just going to add a little bit more gel over the edges. Now, my last step, I'm just going to clean up the gel off my hairline and put some gel on my little curls on the side. I'm just using the Crystal Orchid gel. I'm just going to twist it around my finger a little bit. For some reason, I don't know, I always take out more hair on this side than on this one, and this curl will always be shorter. But sometimes if my curls shrink and I don't want them to shrink, like up here and I want them to be long, I use a bobby pin. Like I just curl it around the end and just let it sit like that. Do the same on this side, just wrap it around. And I'm going to use a facial wipe and clean up my hairline. Alrighty, so now that we're done, this is the final look. And if this is still too puffy, you can add more bobby pins, but to me, it's fine. So I'm going to tie my hair down for about maybe 20-30 minutes, and then I'll be back with the final look. And I always use a satin kind of slippery scarf, so when my hair dries, it doesn't stick to the scarf. Sometimes I even use 2 soft satin scarves. Can I tie another one towards the back? I'm just adding a little bit if some parts is too frizzy, but that's fine. So you just let this sit on your hair for about 10 minutes, or however long you like, 20 minutes, and then it'll be nice and set. And I'll be back when I do my makeup, and then I'll be back to show you the final result. Alright everyone, welcome back. This is my finished look. I just did my makeup and my hair. I just took off my scarf. Nothing too special. I always use this Eco Styler gel. Even if my edges needs a little bit more gel after I took off my scarf, I always use this gel. Cause you can slick it down and only tie your hair down for about 10 minutes and it'll be completely refreshed. Here is my ponytail. My curls is popping, as you can see. I just love this gel. So if you like this simple look and you want to see more styles like this, more simple tutorials, then let me know in the comment box. And if you would like to see how I did this quick makeup spring inspired makeup look, leave me a comment in the comment box and I will be sure to recreate this video for you. And if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment box. And don't forget to rate and subscribe and turn on your notification bell to see my next video. And thanks for watching. Peace out.